Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use two Spotify accounts on one applications. So in case you didn't know, now you can have more than one accounts on your Spotify application in the same device. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use two Spotify accounts on one app. So it perfects for sharing your device without missing playlists or preferences. Now you can just follow this simple steps to manage to switch between Spotify accounts within the app. So first, let's just launch the Spotify application. Okay, so to add a new account on your Spotify app, you can just click on your name at the top left corner in here, and there will be this option add account. So tap on this add account, and there are a few options that you can do. If you haven't had any account on Spotify, you can sign up first using your email by clicking on sign up free in here, or you can also sign up with your phone number, your Google account, and or your Facebook. But if you already have one, you can just tap on login, this one, and here you can just enter your Spotify email or username and also the password. So after you enter the email and also password, you can just tap on login. Okay, so now I have successfully signed in into my second Spotify account. And if you want to switch it into the main account, you can just click on this initial at the top left corner again. And here you can see there are two accounts on my Spotify application. So to switch it to another account, you can just click on the username, and within seconds it will be switched just like that. And so that's all for me. That's how you can enjoy two Spotify accounts on one single app. So you can just follow this guide through on this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Spotify tips and music hacks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.